Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade from iOS 26 or iOS 26 beta to iOS 18.5 or any iOS software to your liking. Now for example, you're trying to downgrade, right? After uploading or upgrading to iOS 26 and you're experiencing some problems, these are going to be the steps to take. So first one right here is we need to download iTunes because you need to make sure your download data or your backup data won't be lost. So after downloading this one, basically just choose the country you're in and just download iTunes to your liking. You can use your Windows requirements right there, and these are gonna be the requirements. And basically once you're good with that, this is iTunes. How's it gonna look like? Just connect your phone to your computer via a cord, maybe Type C or Lightning cable, and once connected, it will show up here. And there should be a backup button on this part right there. And just click it, and your data has been backed up. Now, once that's settled, once that's done, you can now remove iTunes on your software and basically go to this website. It's going to be called IPSW.me. And you can choose any product here. For example, since we're talking about iPhone, I'm going to select iPhone right there. Select a specific unit. On my end, I'm going to go for XR. Should be this one right here. And now, once inside, you're going to see all of the software. For example, this one right there, as you can see, there is iOS 18.5, and there is it. So basically, click on this one. If I click on this one right there, I can simply click on download right here. Once successfully downloaded, open it back iTunes and basically install it on your iPhone. It's going to be easy as that. And then iTunes will automatically save your data, back it up, so you won't be lost. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.